In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this boring to-do list tracker table into a dynamic to-do list tracker table that displays a progress bar chart. You will also learn how to customize this table so that completed tasks are crossed out and change color automatically. This is perfect for tracking tasks, projects, or any work where progress completion is key. My name is Yuva from Tidy, so let's dive in. First, let's convert this raw table into a better format. So go to Format and then select Convert to Table. Okay, great. Now, let's add the checkboxes into this table. First, let's select the whole cell that we want the checkbox displayed, like this, and then click Insert, and then select Checkbox. Okay, your checkbox is displayed and also this is active. Now, we will show the bar chart or the progress bar in the progress column based on the task completion here. So if the task 1 is checked, task 2 is checked, and exam is checked, the progress will be 100%. And we will use Sparkline function combined with COUNTIF function. To do this, type the equal sign and use Sparkline function. Open bracket and then use COUNTIF to count how many checkboxes there is in checked condition. Open the bracket and then select the cell C3 to E3 and then comma and then type true. Like this. Close the bracket and then comma, open a curly bracket, and let's define the chart type. Let's type the chart type in a double quotation mark. Let's end the quotation mark there, and then comma, and then type bar. We will use bar chart to visualize the progress bar chart. Close the statement with the semicolon. After that, let's define the maximum value, comma. Let's use 3 because we have 3 checkboxes in our column. And then close the statement again with the semicolon, and then let's define the color using the color1 function. Let's end the double quotation mark and then comma. Let's use if and COUNTIF function again. Okay, open a bracket and then let's select this cell again. If the checkboxes are 1, comma true, close the bracket, true equals 1, then the color of the bar chart will turn to red. Just type red like this. Okay, let's use if, COUNTIF again. Let's select the cells again, comma true, close the bracket, equals to 2, the color of the bar will turn to yellow. Okay, and then for else, let's just use green. It means if the condition of the checkbox is completely checked, the color of the bar will turn to green. Let's just close the if statements 2 times. Let's close the curly bracket and then let's close the whole statement and then type enter. Great, the function completely works, and let's make it work for all columns. Let's type it. Okay. Congratulations, this Sparkline function works and you can make the to-do list tracker dynamically, and the color of the bar chart is visually changed based on the task completion, like this. If you want to change the color of the bar chart, let's just select the hex code here. Let's select fill color and then add a custom here. Click the plus sign and then let's select the hex code like this. Let's just copy this, press Ctrl C, cancel, and then let's just change the red color here. Just Ctrl V and type enter. Okay, so when the color turns to red, it is customized red, not the flat red that we commonly use. Okay, you can do this for the whole color. Let's apply this function for the whole column like this. Next, let's set up conditional formatting so that rows automatically change color based on the task completion. We'll make rows with full completion turn to green and cross out, and those with incomplete tasks will turn to red. To apply the conditional formatting, first, let's select the whole range that will be formatted. Let's select the A3 to F12 and go to Format and then select Conditional Formatting. Here, let's apply the formula in the Format Cells If option. Click it and then select Custom Formula Is. Next, let's type the formula here. Type equal sign and use COUNTIF function. Open the bracket, add the $sign and type C3 to $sign again E3, which means this C3 to E3, and then comma, type 2. Close the bracket and then equals to 3. Okay, and the formatting style, let's choose the green color and don't forget the strikethrough icon. Like this. And then let's add another rule. If the count if less than 3, which is the test progress is not complete, like this, less than 3, and then at formatting style, let's make the color turn to red, like this, and click done. See, now you have the conditional formatting works for your to-do list tracker, and then let's close it, and as you can see, you can make it dynamically change the color, and also the subject will be crossed out automatically if the progress reaches 100%. That's it. I hope this video will be useful. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to get more data analytics content. See you in the next video.